Our setup and plan outlook today, and this is our setup and plan. First and foremost, we go to our H1 to understand the market direction, external structure, then internal structure, 15 minutes. And this was our last break of structure to the upside. If you see here closely, this was the last break of structure to the upside, right? Then you go down to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. Then you had our break of structure to the upside. Then the price, the market disrespected this, and then you had our change of character to the downside. But before having that, our change of character to the downside, you had our order block just here. You had our order block. After this order block was disrespected, that means it turned into our breaker block. Then we had a retest, we had a break and retest, then a continuation, then we had another retest, then we had a continuation to the downside. So we have to wait and wait and wait for for London session open so that you can take any trade. But what's my plan? My plan is very simple. Scenario number one, I'm going to wait for the price to come back here, and then I look for sell confirmation, then I will continue selling to the downside. That will be scenario number one. Then scenario number two, I will wait for the price to break here and create another break of structure of the downside. Then I wait for the price to come back here. Then I look for sell confirmation. Then scenario number two, if the price comes back here, I'll wait for the price to come back here. Then I'll look for sell confirmation around here. Then a continuation to the downside. That will be scenario number three. Then scenario number four, if the price comes back here and breaks this zone here, I'll just wait for the break. Then I wait to this breaker block. Then a continuation to the upside. Then the fifth scenario, I'll be sharing it towards next session. So for Euro USD, same thing. First and foremost is our external market structure, the H1. And the H1, we had here our change of character to the upside, right? Then if you go down to 15 minutes for our internal market structure, you can see that we had our break of structure to the upside, which is here. And after this break of structure to the upside, then we had our change of character to the downside. But before having that change of character to the downside, we had our order block, which was around here. And this order block, after being disrespected, turned into our sell breaker block, our bearish breaker block. Then price came back, break, then retested, then continuation to the downside, then another break, another retest, then a continuation to the downside. So right now we're waiting for London session to open. Then our scenario number one will be waiting for the price to come back here. Then we look for our sell confirmation. Take out this liquidity and this liquidity to the downside. And then for gold, it had a nice reaction, as I told you before, because if you watch my previous videos, we had our sell point of interest here, our supply order block. After having that break of structure to the downside, you can go back and watch that video. You understand more about gold. We had a clean retest here, but we didn't get our confirmation, entry confirmation here. But now we're planning to get another confirmation when the price tries to pull back to this side or come back here and clear this liquidity. Then for GBP, JPY, always first thing first is market structure, and you can understand here that the price is moving up. External structure, you can see that we had our break of structure to the upside, the break of structure to the upside, right? The market is moving to the upside, both external and internal market structure. So this was our last break of structure to the upside. And then we had our break of structure to the upside, internal market structure. It's not external, this one is internal. And our order block is here. and our inducement area is here. This is our inducement area, inducement zone. Then we have our liquidity here, and my plan is very simple. Scenario number one, I wait for the price to come back here. Then I'll look for buy confirmation targeting the next swing high. That will be scenario number one. The next scenario, I'll wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation of the downside. That will be scenario number two. Then GBP JPY. For GBP JPY, same thing. Here yesterday we had a clean trade from here after having this. We had our break of structure to the downside, which was here, the last break of structure to the downside. Then we had a change of character to the upside. Then we had our order block, which was just here. We had a clean order block, tapped in, then you got that clean trade. Then from here, we had our bearish break of structure to the downside. Then this is where we had our second entry. Then we had our change of character to the upside. Then we had another entry from just this, from this breaker block around here. A break, you can see it was a break, then a retest, then a continuation. Clean trade. And then we also had our continuation to the upside. A break of structure to the upside. Then from here, we have our new order block is just this one. Our plan is very simple. You have to wait for the price to come back here. Then you look for buy confirmation. Then you continue to the upside. And from there, then you need the second scenario will be if the price disrespect this order block, you're going to wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation to the downside. So I'll be just patiently waiting for the price. If I get any clean confirmation, then I'll take that trade. Okay guys, that's it.